Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh god, oh, thank you, yeah, don't worry about doing your job, mate, fucking hell. That was terrifying. I thought I was going to have to give them my wallet or something. Cars are going to now hit cows. It's going to be terrible. Oh, this service isn't very good. Oh dear. Doesn't feel very good at all. I'm just terrified to come around the corner for more cows now. Has he got his... What? I got his cock on video. Why is he facing this way? That was weird. He was quite proud of that, wasn't he? Reckon he looked up and saw the camera, he's like, oh no. God, I've got so much footage in just the last half an hour. Cows, a penis, everything. I've got in 1.2 miles, turn right. Have you got that? Oh, right, okay. I'll go past you in a minute then, so I can lead us. I'll just overtake now over this blind crest. Oh, fucking hell. That was dangerous, sir. That's a bit bumpy on that corner, just be careful of that. When am I turning right? Very soon, apparently. Right, I'm preparing to turn. What the fuck? Oh, okay, that's parking, I guess. Oh mate, we got such a good bit coming up. Oh my god. Oh, is this bus going right? If this bus is going right, we have to do him. Oh right, we have to do him. We have to do him like immediately. Oh, it's going to be hard to do him with this little bump here, mate, but we're going to have to do it. We're going to turn left in a minute. Hopefully he won't. Oh, he might do, though. I bet they like bikes around here, I'd imagine. Probably most of their clientele, isn't it? Right, don't overtake here, because it's quite a corner. If he goes left, I'm going to just drive into the side of him. If he goes left, he's going to really struggle. Oh, what the fuck? He's going left. He's going left. That wasn't very legal. Oh, thank fuck that though, I'm past him. Oh, right, okay. He's probably flashing you saying your friend's a dick. Yeah, that was quite bad, but I had my priorities, didn't I? There's no way he's going to get around those corners very easily. He's going to handbrake turn it probably, I would have said. Oh, the road's a bit, well, it's missing places here. Careful of that. Okay, the surface isn't amazing. I don't know what this sign says. Something bad. Oh, what the fuck is this? Am I on the wrong side of the road now or what? Oh right, yeah, okay. Didn't know where the fuck the road went then. Oh wow. Oh wow. Of all the bikes to do this on, this is definitely the one I'd pick. Oh god. What, sorry? Oh no, what did he just say? Oh, I don't know what, I think he said something about his exhaust. Let's just wait a minute and just check if everything's okay. Are you okay? What did you say? Oh, did it? For a minute I thought you said your exhaust fell off. I was like, oh dear. Oh fuck, the back corner. Fucking hell, it's a bit bumpy there as well. Careful of the bumps, fuck me. I'm like catching air over some of these. Oh fucking hell, there's a cow. It's alright, he's in a fence though. Fuck me, that scared the shit out of me. Well, you got like a fucking adventure bike, mate. This is, if this hits a bump, I'm off. I'm out to sea. But I'll warn you just in case, because I'll let you know. It's better if you know than not know. That's alright. Brakes are proper warped. Yeah, I think they're going to be fucked by the time I get back. But especially after a stint on the Nürburgring, I think they'll be absolutely ruined. Oh, some people there. I'll fucking hit them. There's a sign here for crumbling rocks, so just be aware. Fucking hell, that's a bit technical. Oh, she's a big old girl when you've got to swing around there like that. But she fucking loves it. She rewards you for it. She is a big old girl. In it. Nice and tight. Yeah, these tyres aren't, not amazing, but you can certainly have some fun with it. I don't think that... You see on the internet forums, people are like, oh, they're unusable, you can't even use them. Well, you can. You just have to be aware of them. It's fine. Just going to reapply the brakes a little bit there. There we go, just because of that bump thing. Some amazing views now. Wow. What an incredible bit of road this is. Oh my god. What does this sign here say? Oh, probably something... Oh, wow. Oh, I don't know. Probably something not great, I would have said. That's the thing as well. I think it's all about... You're on, mate? Oh, he's saying something again. I don't know what he said. Oh, fucking hell. There's a bike here. You end up looking for their braking markers and sort of copying, even without thinking about it. It's not always a good thing. Well, it very rarely is a good thing. I'm just slightly nervous that I might be going a bit quicker than Harry is on this bit of road. I don't want to completely leave him. So I'll just pull in. Over here. Oh, maybe I annoyed them. Maybe that was an annoyed thing. Don't know, you didn't say that. You alright, buddy? Good to see some bikes out. Go on, mate. There he is. Hello! Did you see the other 2 bikes? There's 2 in front of us as well. How are you finding it? Oh yeah, stunning. Yeah. Absolutely stunning. No, you're all good. There's another cyclist on this side of the road, but you're all good. This thing is just mental though, this bike. It's just crazy. It's so fast. It's probably a bit big, really, for this sort of road, but I'm loving it. I'm absolutely loving it. Oh, I'm crossing over a bit there. Fucking hell. That wasn't very good. I'll cut that out of the video. I'll cut that. That corner there was a bit hard to judge. Oh god, this Toyota is doing very little speed. He might be wanting us to pass. Doing about 4 miles an hour. Look at that view. It looks like there might be a straight coming up, so it might be okay to overtake this guy, but we'll play it by ear. We won't do anything silly. How does my bike sound? Is it sounding good? Can't hear it over your own, yeah. I thought you'd have pulled in. Go on, pull in. Oh. I'm going to do him in. Yeah. Well, it depends how you look at it, really, mate. If you just say, he did, yeah. But if you just say thank you and you're British and stupid, then it's fine, I think. Well, he's not going to be able to for much longer, mate. I'll tell you that. Then. I don't know about the capabilities of a Toyota Corolla, but I think this is slightly better. Oh, here are these 2 lads I was riding with a minute ago. No, they're here. They've stopped. Get a bit of a shot of everything around here. This surface is not good, FYI. No, it's not. Oh my god, it's just fucking gravel in the road. This is not the kind of surface you do this road with, is it really? I'm glad I had that coffee this morning. I feel a bit more rejuvenated. Wow. Holy shit, we're quite high up, aren't we? Oh, is that back to the normal surface? I think it is. Oh, I don't know if it is or not. Oh no, not really. Still a bit gravelly. Bumpy through it, fucking hell.